Okay, so today we are going to be replacing brushes in the Restore. They'll look very similar to this when you receive them. So a few tools you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Now you're going to want to use the Phillips screwdriver and remove these screws from the Restore cap here that goes to the motor. So once you remove that, you can set that aside. Now, here you'll notice this is the location of the brush for the Restore. There's also one on the opposite side here. So there are two for the motor. So to remove them, what I like to do is I like to take this small little screwdriver, make sure that this cord is not attached to the wall, so the Restore is totally disconnected from any electric. I like to put a little screwdriver here, and I pop this little brush out here. So let's just take a second. Okay, so you're able to pry that loose. So now you can pull the brush out. And let's go ahead and put our new brush in. So we take this brush, should look very similar to this. See, it's brand new, not worn down. There's little teeth there on the top, you'll notice. So what you're going to do is just want to stick that in into the opening and just slide that right in. What I like to do is I like to start on this side first because there's a wire there. It's very close. So I like to stick that in there on that side first and then just kind of push it on an angle, and you'll hear it kind of clip down into place because there's actually a little slot in the middle in this little housing here. And this little barb here will snap into that slot. So then all you have to do is repeat the same thing for the other side, and you will be able to reinstall your cap, making sure to have all the screws seated properly. Just put them in here. Okay, get them started, and that should be it. Use your Phillips screwdriver and tighten them down. Now that'll take your brushes, okay, that you order and install them. These should last quite a long time. But if you pull these out and you notice that they're broken or they're really worn down, it's probably a good sign that you're losing power and you need brushes. So hopefully that helps.